What up, homies? It's a construction buddy, Tony. I'm here today working on my dumpster today. As you know, when you buy a dumpster, you come with a control pin that ties you to your dumpster when you go up and down. I decided to install a wireless remote controller to it so I can be more efficient dumping and getting in and getting out without being tied to the dump trailer. Okay. Now, I'm not a master electrician. I just know this because of my military experience, wiring, schematics, hydraulics. Um, these are just, these are just my expertise level. By no means am I a professional on this. I'm just, if you decide to tackle this on your own, hey, more power to you. Do your research and look at your schematics. Okay. All right. So before I started, I purchased a remote control from Amazon, and you got the wireless transmitter right there. You got the transmitter and you got the receiver there. Now, before you start working with this, make sure you disconnect your power, your positive side of the battery, before you work on it, so you won't look anything out. Now, on this type of trailer, uh, this one I purchased from Flat Rock. Found out doing a little research that this is actually a Texas Pride trailer. So, yeah, it's crazy how this works. But anyway, let me show you what I did. On the receiver, you have your wires, color-coded wires, and everything like that. This one I purchased, like I said, I purchased it off of Amazon for about maybe less than 20 bucks. All right. Uh, your blue wire is your antenna. Your red wire is your power. Your white wire is your signal to your solenoid. Uh, then you have a ground wire, and then you have a yellow wire that sends a signal to gravity feed to actuate the cylinder to cause the dumpster to go down. Now, your red wire is power, which I do off of the battery, which is here. Okay, your white one sends a signal to the actuator to make the dumpster go up. So I put it here. Right? Then you have the neutral wire or your ground wire, which I installed down here because I was already working here, so I decided to stay here. Now, with this one, you have a ground cable here, or you got a ground cable here. So either one of these will work, but I decided to stay here because I was already here. Then your yellow wire sends your signal to go down to your down solenoid, which causes gravity fed. Now, uh, I kept both of them on, kept the pendant on just for backup, and then I have the actuator, I have the control switch here, the wireless remote here, which makes that go up, and then makes this go down. All right. Hey guys, take a little time, do a little research. I think you can do this. It took me about maybe 30 minutes to do this. So just be careful, and hopefully this taught you something. And if you decide to challenge it, it's not very hard. Yeah, you can do it. Good luck.